Assessing risks and safety for a better life. In a concerted effort to enhance road safety, experts are urging drivers to thoroughly analyze risks and consider safety factors when making driving-related decisions. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, over 38,000 lives were lost in motor vehicle crashes in the United States in 2022 alone. By evaluating potential hazards and integrating safe driving practices, individuals can significantly reduce the likelihood of accidents, thereby positively impacting not only their own lives but also those of passengers, pedestrians, and fellow motorists. Key recommendations for improving driving decisions include maintaining an appropriate speed limit, avoiding distractions such as mobile phones, ensuring proper vehicle maintenance, and adhering to traffic signals. Research indicates that distracted driving accounts for approximately 25% of all car accidents. Moreover, defensive driving, anticipating potential problems and adjusting one's behavior accordingly, can dramatically decrease crash rates. These strategies underscore the importance of conscientious decision-making behind the wheel. The ripple effect of these prudent choices extends beyond personal well-being. It fosters safer communities by reducing emergency response demands and healthcare costs associated with traffic collisions. Public awareness campaigns aim to educate drivers about these critical measures while promoting a culture of responsibility on the roads. Ultimately, informed and deliberate driving behaviors not only safeguard individuals but also contribute to a collective effort towards safer travel environments for everyone.